Taking a look back at that almanac for your Thursday, we had 23 degrees for your high, so 7 degrees below average. 4 for the low, so you can see that the average high is only double that number at 8 degrees, nowhere near the record of 50 back in 1964 or negative 25 back in 2003. And you can see already sunset occurring at 6:39 p.m. The days are continuing to get longer, and with only a week left before daylight savings, we're going to see sunsets already quickly approaching 8 o'clock by the end of the month. So good times are ahead, at least when it comes to that amount of daylight. But looking at today, though, it's about a very, very chilly all throughout the UP. We saw a reinforcing cold front last night that pretty much set the tone for today. Only 17 in Marquette, 21 in Iron Mountain, 22 in Escanaba. So hovering on either side of 20 degrees. The good news is tonight will be the last night of this Arctic air. Winds mostly coming out of the northwest at 13 in Marquette, 15 in Munising, 13 in Iron Mountain. So a little bit blustery. We have seen wind chills already falling into the negatives. To make sure to stay warm, bundle up, and if you are going to be outside, just wear those gloves, coats, scarves, and even hats. But going into tomorrow, we'll begin to switch at 180. We'll begin to see a warm-up. Temperatures will pretty much double from what we saw today in some portions. It really won't be until Sunday and Monday we'll begin to see that number really skyrocket towards the 50s. Unfortunately, by then, though, we have to introduce the rain because of the warm front that will trigger all this warm back into the area. Now, by the time we get towards the middle of the week, a cold front will slide through. That's going to bring temperatures back down to normal. We could have some hit and miss snow showers in between, with the greatest chance occurring on Thursday. Now, for tomorrow, there is some cold air still hanging on to parts of the northeast. For us, though, we're pretty much now starting to see a little bit of that warmth already starting to make its way through. So we're kind of just on the final phase of that cold air through the early hours of your Saturday morning. But by the afternoon, we'll already see temperatures already flirting at the freezing mark, and that's already the first sign of warmer things to come. But like I previously mentioned, the rain will be coming with it on Sunday, and also those clouds. So it'll pretty much be a gloomy pattern that we'll deal with as we go towards the second half of the weekend and the first day of the work week. So just make sure to have that raincoat and umbrella next to you. Any accumulations that we see, though, will be on the light side. Obviously, the main concern could be the fact that, the rapid snow melting with the rain on top of it, and also the fact that by the end of the week, we are going to see the constant stubborn flow between above freezing afternoon highs, but below freezing morning lows. So that's really going to become somewhat of a stubborn issue later on in the week. So you may want to exercise some caution by then when it comes to driving, because that could create some ice throughout the roads. Now, 2 degrees for tonight, partly cloudy and cold. Winds out of the east at 5 miles per hour. Those wind chills will be on the negative side throughout the evening and really won't begin to warm up until tomorrow. You can see about a good 30-degree bounce from morning to afternoon into those low 30s, even mid-30s possible. 32 in Crystal Falls and Florence, 38 in Ontonagon, 31 in Houghton, 30 in Munising. So a little bit more cooler the further east you go, but towards the west, inching closer to 40 degrees. Overall, just mostly sunny skies. So it's going to be a beautiful day to take advantage of your Saturday before that rain comes in on your Sunday. Looking at your day plan a little more closely, sunrise occurs at 7:24 a.m. And then overall, partly cloudy skies by tomorrow night. And you can already see by tomorrow night, 23 degrees. So the warmth is already here by tomorrow night, but we begin to increase those clouds on Sunday. And then really the rain really kicks up by Monday. But then temperatures begin to go down closer to what it is in early March.